Are you struggling with insomnia? Insomnia has recently become one of the most common reasons that people visit doctors. It seems to be universal lately. And aside from the common reasons that people may have insomnia, I think you'll find this reason that we're going to talk about today really surprising. I am Susan Winograd with Pelvicore Rehab Plus. Thank you for being here. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe bell so you don't miss any other amazing videos. One of the most shocking reasons that people may be experiencing insomnia is because of a serotonin imbalance. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that is produced in the gut. And when we don't produce enough levels of serotonin, it will prevent the production of melatonin, because serotonin is a precursor to the sleep hormone melatonin. So a couple of things we can do to boost serotonin levels is, number one, make sure that your gut is healthy. An inflamed gut is going to prevent optimal production of serotonin. Number two is we want to make sure we manage stress, because stress can spike cortisol levels, which will create an inflammatory environment in our gut and also may limit the production of serotonin. So make sure you exercise every day and make sure that you have a good meditation practice to manage those stress levels. And finally, make sure you're spending time outside. If you're not spending enough time outside and getting natural sunlight, chances are your health is suffering. And from an insomnia perspective, we really want to make sure that you're getting enough outside time, because sunlight can stimulate serotonin production. So there are so many things that we can do to optimize sleep, and sleep is a foundational component of not only staying healthy but also getting healthy. The good news is that there is so much help out there, and we help people with their sleep and sleep improvement all the time. So don't tolerate those weightless nights and make sure you say goodbye to insomnia. We can help you. Stay tuned for more resources.